Hey everyone, welcome back to our WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to explain how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. So to begin, let's launch Messenger application on our mobile device. Okay, here we go. Now, let's say you want to restrict someone. So in order to do so, just slide the chat towards the left side and tap on the option of More. Okay, now you can see the option of Restrict. Just tap on it and now you can see that this specific person has been restricted. Now, what if you want to unrestrict this person? For that, you can see the 3 lines icon at the top left corner. Just tap on it. Now, we have to select the gear icon in blue color. Now, scroll down below and you'll see the option of Privacy and Safety. Now you can see various options here and just look at the option of restricted accounts. We have to tap on it. Now tap on the name of the specific person that you want to unrestrict. Now simply tap on the option of unrestrict. Now after this, let's go back again to the Messenger homepage and you can see that the chat is back again, which means this person is unrestricted on Facebook Messenger. So that is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.